let's go to work. 'Cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself. 'Cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up. 'Cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door. Meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. Yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Start to believe in myself and life will be sweet again. So sweet again. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah.
Yeah, good morning people, or good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world, good night. Every time this video reach you. Yeah, so this is another Sunday morning. Yeah, and I'm trying to get some fish this morning because I want to roast some fish. You get what I'm saying? Yes, this is a man, Holy Fire 777. You can shot me there. Yes, so this is where them launch them boat. Fisherman launch them boat right through there, so I'm gonna look fish. So run here, so the boat there, the fishing boat, and none of the trailers are carry boat. So see the runner, so send a boat out there, so for runner, so man them look them launch and then get them drive right down here, so and go out and see, go look fish. So that is it. So I look some fish this morning. Yeah. So yes, I'm gonna get some fish tomorrow, some fish later. That is it. Yep. Bless.
No man, the long thing, man, but they slender like a bar. You thought it was a bar with me? You thought it was straight in the cooler, man.
Bless.
The check him? No, you open the cooler now to take the hook out of him. You never realized that you what
Somebody want me out.
I think it looked more like a zoo.
You was on YouTube?
Oh yeah, man. I want some fish roast later, you know?
Check it out, come on.
Yeah. Show them if you look, man. Snapper.
You got snapper one.
All kind of stuff.
Oh, that's skill already.
Okay, cool.
Okay, cool.
Jamaican.
They got grunt iron in it.
No, that's it.
Okay.
Oh, that's one?
Yeah. I'm gonna go.
That is 36.
36. 22. Or 4 for them.
Make it 5.
About 4 to 36.
Yeah, 5 on will be 4.
Yeah.
You know, these are
Very fast fire, boy.
these are these garments, I guess. These are pretty moves.
Still no fish.
Gone, boy.
Okay. Fish ready.
There's garden one. Nozzle. You need to get just a regular one of your nozzle or a regular nozzle with the pressure. And then quick, boy.
Come on, give me a dollar, man. Save them. Bless.
Yeah, man.
So yes, peeps. That is it. So just get some fresh fish. Because most time I come here, so now freshest fish in a Cayman. Fish that I go up on no fridge, no freezer burn or nothing. No. You know what I say? And fish the fresh. Most of them man they go from last night. And then this morning then come back here, so can scale them. Yeah. So I have some fish roast now, so I go look some coal now and coal and I want file paper. Yeah, I'll do some roast fish. Yeah, so yeah, that more for dinner this evening. Just roast fish, nothing else. Put some moringa in it. And that is it. Yeah. No, the fish have to leak out now, but no. If this just leak out, there's some more trouble. So, hold on, let me tie the bag again. Yeah. So, get what I want. This is why I love the Caribbean, because you see, get up early in the morning. You can come get fresh fish. Because we never can understand why the Caribbean will import fish from other countries. That's not necessary. And Cayman is somewhere where, I mean, you can get, Cayman is some of the deepest water in the world. So you can get fish, any kind of fish out there. And I see, you see what I say? Yeah, we don't need to import no fish. Fisherman there can go out there and get fish. So fish can get fish supply. If Cayman produce not necessarily supply the country, we can supply the country with fish. Fresh fish. So just stick and stay with me as me go get some coal. Cause this I know is set up nothing me can get no stick to go make no fire. Me also still me can get some stick to make fire or make a use coal. Roast some fish. That is it. So just stick and stay with me. I will match up it. Yeah. Yes, peeps, and I pay how much? I pay $40 for that fish. Yeah, £5, 5 8 or 40. Yeah, $8 a pound. So roughly about $50 something for the fish. US. Yeah. So this is West Bay Public Beach. Everywhere you're going here, man, you have beach. Yeah. You don't have to go far to see a beach. It's a beach. Yeah, so as I say, everywhere you go in Cayman you have beach. You don't have to go far to see the beach. You guys in a big city, I'm not grudge you know. City life, like the Caribbean life. Caribbean life, you eat more healthy and all for processed food and all of that. You get me? I say, well, this can't really get you from processed food so easy. But we eat less processed food. Just natural, alkaline based food. Yeah. That is it. So, I get some coal and now hopefully can get some coal or maybe look some stick. Yeah. Or maybe get some sticks. But fish after roast this evening. No rice and peas this evening. No flour. Just roast fish. Real way. Real Jamaican way. Just like how they do it at Rocky Point, Clarendon, here in Jamaica. Big up Alvin and big up Data in Rocky Point, Clarendon. Big up on yourself. You get me? I say, especially Alvin, the man there, roast fish specialist. The man the roast fish different. Mad, the man they love what they do and do what they love. And do it with best ability. Yeah. So just stick and stay with me. That is it. Catch me again when I season up the fish. Yeah. So yes, peeps. I'm gonna get a bag of coal. Coal o'clock. This is a bag of coal. So yeah, definitely I will roast some fish and get a file paper. Yeah, that is it. Just stick and stay with me. Yeah, we're gonna roast some fish today. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Do it to your best ability. That is it. So yes, it's time to go roast some fish now. So now I'm gonna look some moringa. See a big moringa tree, yeah? A big moringa tree. For blocks? Yeah. Yeah, see if so. I get some of the moringa leaf here to put in the fish. You know, sir? Yeah. Just stick and stay with me. See there? This is the famous merengue superfood. So you know, we'll put some of this in the fish. And I'll cut it up like season. Cut it up like other vegetable on it. You get me? I say, as I say, close band line and everything. It's just like Jamaica, all for Jamaicans like that. So yeah. Yeah, that is it. And whenever we go. Or for Jamaican, I have to know close up online and something. Yeah, so merengue. So just stick and stay with me. One fire, hold the fire. Yes, please, I see fish I may get this morning. Yeah, I'm just put them in my fridge. I'm go up on the road. See them? Size of them. Nice size. So a nice 2 pound one. Or a pound and a half for me alone. Until now I get none. Yeah. So I'm going to roast. I would also roast 2 of them. Yeah, I roast 2 of them. 2 or 3, other 3 of them. I roast 3 of them. Yeah, 3 of them. Because after we get too much. I get 6 fish this morning, so I roast 3. So that is it. So stay tuned and watch where I go on.
After roast 4.
The cedar tape. I get my ring ready. Pick them off. Yeah. Pick off the younger one then because you're so tough. Read so. Pick off my ring and put in the water, wash them, and cut them up. So just stay tuned and watch where I go on. Yeah, so then in the kitchen I move your hand fast. Because fire not even catch up it. As I say, I use the younger part. Yeah. Moringa, superfood. Yeah. So stick and stay with me. Yeah. Fix it for. So yes, babe, say it yeah. Over here, so that is it. Yeah, so then I get into that. Mash up the thing quick and fast. So now the seasoning ready. Yeah, the seasoning ready. Yeah. Get the seasoning ready up. Then I have my onion, sweet pepper, Irish. Don't know if I use the Irish, I'll put up the Irish real small. Coming out of a stir fry, I'm gonna beat up everything together. You get me what I'm saying? Yeah, not a stir fry. Rocky Pine style. Big up Alvin on Rocky Pine. Big up daughter too. Yeah, Rocky Pine, Clarendon. Yeah, so as I say, stick and stay with me and get the seasoning ready. I'll check back when I'm done and then see the fish. One fire, all the fire. The feet are now peeps. I get the seasoning cut up. Carrot. Put up the carrot with down fast. Yeah. And then background I can hear music play. But I put on music over that, so you know I get a copyright. Yeah. See that is. Put up my carrot. Normally carrot tough as things like that to stir fry, but I'm not going to stir fry. I'm going to beat it up. Rocky Pine style. I was gonna say big up Alvin on Rocky. Yeah. Big up Alvin on Rocky Pine. Yeah. What things Alvin show me. And this, you know? Yeah. Sometimes the people are roast fish and I use butter. And I use butter. Alvin said butter not to use and I chose. So from I discovered that, kind of stop use butter too. Use the oil. Yeah. Sweet pepper or bell pepper, whichever you want to call it in your country or wherever you are. Bell pepper. But with Jamaican we say sweet pepper. Yeah, hear that sound eh? Ice cream and just come. Small as possible. I'm gonna beat them out, see me. Irish potato. Yeah, put up the Irish thing really small. Because I say it's not a stir fry, I just put a knife same way. And garlic in it too. Yeah. My garlic easy to beat up. this is the Scotch bonnet pepper. You know, so act like them in Jamaica still, but you know, still have to go easy on it. Don't use the seed. The seed is there, the hotness is. And remember when you use hot pepper too, wash your hands properly. When I smell hot still, let's see how it go. And tomato. Normally then I use tomato, but I choose to use tomato. I'm kind of like the tomato, you know? And my onion. Yes, please. Then my thyme. See? That's well spicy, you know. Smell good, taste good. More my fast. Yeah, I move my hand fast. I'm hungry. See? Yeah. And then last but not least, superfood moringa. As I said, when you come on to moringa, use the younger version. Yes, moringa. Younger part, what I'm saying? See the peeps, everything in this, see there, everything in the dish, all the seasoning in the meat. So, stick and stay and watch the next step now. Progress, I progress. Yes, peeps, I see fish them, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4 fish tonight. 4 fish, yes. So, I get the seasoning ready now, ready up? I'll get it ready up. Yes, so get everything ready up. See it, so pumpkin noodle. So banana pumpkin, so I put some pumpkin noodle in it. And then I put some jerk seasoning in it. Some Jamaican jerk seasoning, same speed. Yeah. What I mean. And then I really need no salt because noodle already having salt, you know. Let's go with the fish. Right, so Bacardi buckle me have so. Yes, so make sure wash off the buckle. And instead of butter, I put like an oil in it. Yeah, not too much. Just chew until the spirit has stopped. Then beat like this now, take a buckle and beat it out. Beat out the season, the onion and everything. Yeah, so go and watch where I go. Normally should have a deeper bucket. This not big enough, should have one of them bucket there. Yeah, beat out it. Yeah. Let's see, babes. That is it.
You can take that now.
Yes, babes, so that is it. So, ready to stuff the fish then now. So just stick and stay with me. On fire, oil fire. So yes, babes, right now I'll get the fire paper, fire fish them now. That is it. Let's check out what I'm going now. natural. Yeah. What's this? Fish and all, wash up proper fish and all over the tail. So you do it. Alright. Yeah. The fish are up better. Still go put another piece of oil on it. Just stick and stay with me. As me. Fire up and tape, but just for fish, I'm gonna make it a fire. So see it now, peeps. I'm cool, eh? So I'm gonna try catch a fire. Yeah? Just so I'm gonna catch a fire and roast the fish. What am I say? So I'm gonna get the fire ready. So just stick and stay with me.
This is sweet pepper and carrot and this in the camera.
Stick and stay, peeps. Alright. So then cola look different from Jamaican cola, like cow shit. Cola look quite different, yeah. Let me see how it gets up. Yeah, I'm sure I put this on something else to get it. Use a plastic bag, catch a fire. It's the camera board. You can't see properly. Yeah.
So no 3 months they say.
That give me so much trouble for light. For a long time I like coal, you know. Be a gas stove. Yeah, so behave like me in a country boy. Because I said in cola kind of look different from in cola Jamaica. Cola look different and it smell funny. peeps. So give me a warm time and the breeze a blow hard. Yes, me I try like that cola, but the cola seems hard for light. John. Yeah, them cola hard for light, peeps. Cold tough. Cold tough one, I try light it. Hard for light, and the cold cup. See bucket coming at them. Hard for light, peeps. I throw paper and everything and I feel like, but it's not like. Yeah. So I like it. I look some more of the coconut thing out of stuff for the coconut. You see the organic fall, yeah? Yeah? Organic fall. So, look some coconut ox. Like them, yeah? I'm dry, you're supposed to make your fire light quicker. So, to them, yeah. See fire light quicker. Cool, well, come and get a light now. I like the cooling. Come and like it. I'll go and feed you now. Just make them a burn out tonight. No sketch. More sketch now. Cause fish them season up and ready. Ready for it. You know the cold smell away, peeps. Cold smell funny. I like how it smell. Yeah. So stick and stay with me, catch up a fire. Catch me when I put on the fish them. Like, share and subscribe. One fire. All if I love what I do and do what I love and do it to the best of your ability. That is it. You know what I say? Yeah, so stay tuned now as I go and show you the thing I get hot up, the zinc I get hot up to get ready for the fish them. So as soon as it's hot, you know, then start put the fish them on it. Yeah. So actually call them call them different still, but I'm going to work with it and I try to work around it. So as I say, stick and stay with me and watch as me roast up them fish. You see it? Yeah. Stick and stay. Seta pips, fish them, yeah, put on the bigger one first. Yeah. See it, yeah? That is it. That is it. Yeah. So, let me see how you go, peeps. So stick and stay with me. Stick and stay, no matter why you're talking about this. So you sit now here there. Enough people live here. See there? Just stick and stay. So deal with them fish here. What do I mean? So yes, peeps, I have to put some coconut ox in it because the cola kind of slow, bad. So, you know, yeah. Stick and stay. Ooh. Cha-cha. Yeah. So like it I go on to get hotter now. The one you now get no fire. So put up that some more, put up that some more. Put that this so. Yeah. Yeah, the coal kind of really slow, peeps. Now what kind of coal? I'm gonna try the coal. Next time I'm gonna use some stick. Yeah. And this is why I love the Caribbean, you know? Yeah. I look over here, so. Over here, so when I'm done, I plan to get something to drink. You see it here? Jump out. Hey, now bush here, so. And come over here, so. And come around here, so. And come around here, so. And look there. Boom! Coconut palm tree. So when I'm done, get something to drink, I get a jelly. That is it. That's Caribbean life. Yes, babe. That is Caribbean life. You know? Oh, yeah. That is life in the Caribbean. Yeah. Flying on the juice. But, yeah. Get some water and throw up on it. Tips. Yeah. Steam go through it. That is it. You see it now? Steam I go through them. So then steam faster. Nice. Yeah, if I actually notice, a lot of people don't leave out the tail. But I leave out the tail, so when it's steam, you just pull the tail like this. And you know, when the tail, you pull the tail and the tail pull out, that means it's ready. You know, if you feel it, and if you know it's ready, you just pull out the tail and know it's ready. Pull out easily, that means it's ready to eat. So just stick and stay. One fire, hold the fire. People see it here. Fish almost ready now. Almost ready now. Yeah. Holy smoke. Ah. Hot. Mr. Hot man. Hot. So. Yes, yes. Yeah, get some more water, dash on it. Hungry, I mean very hungry. So let's see if the fish ready now. Yes, and this is how it tastes. This is why you leave the tail out. See? Tail pull out like that. I mean it's ready. See? It's ready. That's why I'm gonna leave it. Yeah, you know, if you squeeze up it and all of that, it's ready now. Yeah, so go for your plate and test the big one there. That is it. I'm hungry. So mash up the big one and go for your plate and test it. Yeah. Yes. Check it out now. have to see this peeps. I have to look close up. Look at that. Look at that. Gee whiz. Mm. 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 Mm-mm. Look there, man. Look there, look there. Look there. Look at that. Mm. It's too nice, Steve. It's too nice. It's too nice. I'm telling you, too nice. Hot. Look at this, babes. Look there. Mm. 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 So yes, peep, this is my Sunday dinner. This is my Sunday dinner. This is my Sunday dinner. Yes, please. My Sunday dinner. Yep. Okay. If only you were near to taste this. All the vegetable. Nice. So stick and stay with me. I'm gonna wait. Let me eat off this and talk back to them. So yes, peeps, this is what left out of it. Beer bone. Yes, beer bone. So we're gonna empty this. And guess what, go on. I'm gonna match up one more. And there, the liquor one here, the plant just look like a butterfish. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. So here's the peeps, eater. Butterfish that one, yeah. So I'm gonna mash up that one here too. So stick and stay, I'm not going away. To see the peeps, plate empty again. But I'm not eat no more. belly full now. Yeah, belly full. So I'm not gonna really try it no more. So I'm sweat. Fish nice. Fish just nice. Natural. Yeah, straight from the sea. Straight to fire. So stick and stay with me right now. I have something for wash down fish. So I pick a jelly. And look how close the jelly tree there as I showed you before. Right, there's a jelly tree there. So I'm go in this stuff in the bushes so. We'll chop a jelly. One done, one to go. Mr. Papes, no place like the Caribbean. Yeah. So straight from the sea, get some fish. You see me season them up. Yeah, and roast it out the door. Yeah. There's 2 left same way. And pick 2 jelly and drink 2 jelly. So you get me I say? Yeah, so that is it. That is it for the day. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You get me I say? Yeah, as me say, you know, cost you nothing to subscribe. You don't have to use a credit card to subscribe. You just press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Leave a comment and press the like. You get me I say? And share. Yeah, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. You know what I say? Yeah. Help me reach out 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. So that is it for now. Love what I do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. Peace out.